This episode is about gastronomy. What is it?
Forget it. Let's sample dishes now. Gotcha! This is one. Come on, let's go. Only this? More options?
Hi, welcome back to My English YouTube channel. Today we have something very mouth-watering and appetizing for you. You're gonna believe me, it is not just the phrase itself, but also the taste. But before we move on further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, wait to know more, do it now!
Okay, I'm working my butt off.
Yeah, as I mentioned in the previous episode, after working my butt off at the gym to get a beach body, and then, what did I do?
Check it out.
After working out, I need to find food, and this is restaurant number 1. And over here, they serve Indian food.
Let's go this checkout.
Oh, that wasn't my choice. Never mind. We have option number 2, the Western fast food. And here you can find fried chicken, burgers, and many more. Oh gosh, the choices keep my eyes peeled. Oh well, this looks quite normal, but why don't we just give it a shot? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I have a taste for all these. Oh my god, I like them, I want this. Wow, this is so delicious. But don't forget, our phrase for today is have a taste for.
And one more time. To have a taste for something. This means to have a preference for something, or to show that you like something very much. And this something could be a particular type of food, drinks, clothes, or anything. Just like what this example suggests. He has a taste for books. This means the guy likes books or reading very much.
Now let's see how we can use this phrase in our daily context. Just enjoy a skit adapted from a Hong Kong movie which was famous in 1990. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Long time no see. Simon,
Really fast.
do you remember you were the most handsome guy in our company?
Don't be kidding. I still have no idea why they liked me.
Yeah, people liked you because you had great taste in your fashion.
Oh, my great taste. I'm not flattering you.
By the way, Simon, since you have not been here for years, if you don't mind, can I ask you a very personal question over here? Do you see a very big change in my style and my taste?
Oh, your style? Oh, look at you. You're just an old-fashioned guy.
Oh, you didn't just look at the design in this room. Can't you see how stylish I am? And my style is very cutting edge.
Oh, pardon me. Look at these old-fashioned decorations. I really cannot stand it. How could you have picked purple color and this ugly brown color? It's very tasteless.
This is even worse. The black background is super dull for your room.
Oh my god. You have a taste for this old artist? That's a great style, huh?
You have a point. Is it that bad? And make sure you don't have a taste for something that is out of fashion. That's all for today's show. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And before you leave, let's see what I got from the shopping. Bye-bye. I hope this wasn't too much for a person. Oops, I also dropped by this restaurant so that my eyes could feast on all these tarts.
咁啊3個月試用期滿咗之後啦，先研究埋嗰晚得唔得咧嚇？
3個月啊，
係啦。
3個月後你間嘢執笠咁我點算啊？